In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to upsample images in Photoshop without losing quality, using the highest standard professional techniques available in the 2026 version of Adobe Photoshop. Whether you are dealing with a low-resolution photograph that needs to be printed in a larger format, or a digital asset that needs more pixel density for a professional project, knowing how to properly enlarge images without that dreaded pixelation or blurriness is an essential skill for any designer or photographer. This tutorial will guide you through the precise workflow to ensure your edges stay sharp and your details remain intact. If this video helps you out today, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more high-quality software tutorials and creative workflows. To get started, let us launch Adobe Photoshop and open the file you wish to work with. Go to the top menu and select File, then click on Open to browse your computer and find your specific image. Once your image is displayed on the canvas, we need to access the core settings for resolution. The most efficient way to do this is by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Alt-I on Windows or Command-Option-I if you are on a Mac. This will sprout the image size dialog box onto your screen. This window is the control center for all your scaling needs. Before we change any numbers, you must look at the checkbox labeled Resample. It is absolutely crucial that this box is checked. Without it, Photoshop will simply change the metadata of the print size without actually adding any new pixel data to the file. For a true upsample, we need Photoshop to intelligently invent new pixels to fill the space of the larger dimensions. Now let's look at the interpolation drop-down menu next to the Resample checkbox. By default, it might be set to automatic or bicubic smoother, but for the best results in the modern era, you want to select Preserve Details 2.0. This specific algorithm leverages advanced artificial intelligence to analyze the textures and edges in your photo, ensuring that it doesn't just stretch the pixels but actually reconstructs them based on the surrounding context. This is the secret sauce for keeping images looking crisp even when being blown up to double or triple their original size. Once you have the method selected, you can proceed to increase size. You can change the width or height fields to your desired output. I recommend changing the unit of measurement to % if you want to double the size by typing in 200, or use pixels if you have a specific target dimension required for your project. Keep an eye on the preview window to see how the image is reacting to the change. You'll notice that as you increase the size, some slight grain or digital artifacts might appear. This is where the Adjust Noise Reduction slider comes into play. If your image looks a bit too grainy after the enlargement, slowly slide the Reduce Noise toggle to the right. Be careful not to go too far, as over-smoothing can make skin or textures look like plastic. Find that perfect balance where the noise is suppressed but the sharp details remain visible. After you have fine-tuned these settings and you are happy with the preview, simply click the OK button. Photoshop will then process the image using its AI-driven engine to finalize the upsampling. You will now have a high-resolution version of your original file that is ready for printing, social media, or high-end design work. This process is the most effective way to handle low-res assets in a professional environment. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel and stay updated on the latest creative software tips. We'll see you in the next one.